Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. I hope the audio is not too windy because right about now it's extremely windy. You know what I mean? So today is Thursday. I'm about to finish work, and yeah, tomorrow is no work, and even if there was, I wouldn't be going because they're saying that the storm might be coming through tomorrow or maybe Saturday, but apparently it has slowed down. It's at category 2 and might be even category 3, so you know what I mean, it's not looking good at the moment with people. And yeah, so babes and you know what I mean, everybody been shopping up, buying up gas, everything, and just preparing for the storm and things like that. So yeah, it's very serious at this point, my people. The whole town of Lismore that I told you all about, they have been told to evacuate, and yeah, so it shows you it's very serious. And yeah man, so we are doing our preparation as well, you know. So but this just makes me a bit sad as well, because who knows, by maybe the next 24 hours or so all of this would probably be gone, you know. So yeah, and the bad thing about that is that my garden, they just start having sorrel on them, which, you know, I was hoping to get sorrel soon, but yeah, this cyclone is about to change everything right now. So I don't think I'll have much of a garden left after this, you know. But yeah, we still hope for the best same way. Yeah man, but you know, as long as we still have a roof over our head, that's what's most important, you know what I mean. So we can always continue and rebuild again, you know. So, and I mean, of course, safety first. So as long as the whole family is safe and we have a roof over our head, you know what I mean, that's the most important thing at the end of the day. So, you know, all of this can regain again and rebuild. But yeah man, so that is that, my people. My garden might be the last time you all see the garden like this. So yeah, take it all in, my people. Look at sorrel, man. I don't know if y'all can see that, like the trees are doing extremely well, loaded of sorrel. And yeah, so oh, rotted. I didn't even see this watermelon. Look how big it gotten. Well, this one passed the drop off stage, I would say, because most of them they drop off at around that stage. So yeah, and the flood gonna be coming. So I mean, here it's very hard to flood because the water runs off, you know. So I wouldn't say it will flood, but if it would flood, it would take a lot of rain, to be honest, because when the Lismore flood happened, this place didn't flood. So you know, that's a sign that it's not easily flooded, but water run through these places like nothing, you know. So yeah man, but my people, you know, that hope for base, as I say, still, but it's extremely windy and not looking good. The storm not looking good at all. So take a look at everything. We have 2 bananas there. These probably gonna be down too because the wind is very strong that's coming. All of the cane are something we can cut and eat regardless. But yeah, all of the yam, these might be falling down by the time you see it again. Sorrel over here start bending, which, as I said about the soil, is quite soft. You can see right there that tree is already lifted up. So yeah, they're all slanted, to be honest. They're all slanted, so they're definitely gonna be going. And that's just the light wind, so you can just imagine. Yeah man, water enough. Look at this decent sized pumpkin. Right as the pumpkin them start to stay on the tree, That's when things are going bad. Cassava right there. Those probably gonna be broken. So, yeah. Such is life, you know. This storm was not something we would have expected, so couldn't prepare for this. So definitely I'll give another update on the storm as it progresses to, you know, hit us. I have a lot of green sweet pepper here, otherwise capsicum. Alright, my people, as you can see, lots of water. And I have all these young plants that's getting flooded, even though this is so heavy. But I'm gonna move them out of this area. Put them next to here. This one is the lettuce. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Oh, look at that, all the water running out. Place them here till the storm is over. Oh. Might get sick after this, but that's what it is. And this one is spring onion, otherwise scallion. Just mainly the young seedlings I'm trying to remove. This one is pop choy or pak choy. Oh no. Shoot. Oh no. Whole thing's gone. This one is thyme. Whew. There we go.